welcome back to Old Volks TV. It's the winter cruise in Austin, Texas. And we got a couple cars. We got some people, we got some cars, we got some good weather. We're gonna go have some fun. We're driving to Bug Acres, which we did a video there. We did a little tour, so we'll do another little tour. This is the last day that they're open, so we're gonna go check it out, see what's left, maybe buy some stuff though. Probably not. There's not a whole lot of good stuff left unless you want a carcass of a super beetle. But we are gonna go there, we're gonna drive around. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18 cars so far, and we're still about 20 minutes from leaving, so that'll be pretty good lineup. Sean just got here, Chris just got here, so we'll go say hi to them. And then it's a good 60-mile ride out there. Grab a little lunch, go for a walk in a boneyard. Come on, let's go. All right, we made it somewhere. Where are we?
We're at the Andice General Store, supposedly the best burgers in town. Probably the only burger in town for all I know.
It's like 3 places in town, so.
Right, so this is the place that has burgers, and they're the best.
And it's like,
well, you have to tell the story why they call it Andice.
I don't know that story.
Well, you don't know? Check the sign outside. Oh.
Because.
And I think people used to buy ice and
and ice.
Oh, it was Andice?
Yes.
Beer and ice?
It's burger time. Sean says these are the best burgers.
Best burgers in Andice.
Best burgers in town. The town
But
of
the only
700
burgers
people.
in Andice, probably.
We're gonna eat in his day.
Don't make it sound so negative.
Well, you know. Alright, let's see how delicious this amazing burger is.
What'd you get?
Something about a rodeo. Looks good. Out of focus here. Pretty good. Better than that vegan sausage that I had on the trip. You alright? You're dying. Don't die. There you go. Winter cruise. Burger time.
Hey man.
Best burgers in town, huh?
Oh, well I think they're the only burgers in town.
That's what everybody's been saying. it was okay. It was okay.
How's the beer?
So good. Electric jellyfish. Can't beat it. If I find it, I gotta get one.
Oh, you found a beer?
It didn't matter if it was 8 o'clock in the morning, I'd have to get
What
it.
kind of beer is it?
Electric jellyfish
Electric jellyfish.
from Pine House.
That's not a beer.
Oh, it's so good.
Oh, what's a beer? Budweiser.
Oh, God. I gotta walk away. So how's your first Volkswagening adventure?
I'm thoroughly enjoying it.
Thoroughly enjoying it.
Thank you so much for having us out here.
She's been taking pictures and video the whole
I
time.
had nothing to do with it. Sorry.
You guys are making this happen.
I just show up with a camera and take pictures. I'll make you famous though. You're gonna be on TV.
Yes!
I'm gonna be YouTube famous just like me.
Alright, everybody's getting ready to leave the Andice burger stand. And they're all heading to Buggy Acres, but I'm not going. I don't have the money for that kind of adventure, so we'll catch them as they pull out here. All right, that was it. The winter cruise to Andice.
Great day. Started out cold. Sun's out, 65 degrees.
Safari's up all day.
Pretty up.
All day.
If I had safaris, they'd be up.
Safari's up. They're going to Bug Acres. We're not going because we don't need stuff, right?
Not yet.
I got enough junk in my garage.
I got stuff to get rid of. Don't need to add to it.
Yeah. We're gonna go the other way. We're going home, and you know, we'll find some other thing to do to have fun with. So hit the link down below. Get them Teespring sweatshirts, hoodies, hats, phone covers, koozies, whatever. They got all kinds of junk on there. I don't even know. Sean does that part. What's on there?
There's phone cases, shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, zippered hoodies. More to come soon.
More to come soon. We got a new shirt design coming, so keep your eyes out for that.
Yeah, hopefully another week.
And what else? Oh, get a Volks America magazine, volksamerica.com, Volksmania magazine also. Get some of those. Check us out on the Facebooks, the Instagrams. All the social media stuff is right down there below. Check out our friends. I think Straight Axle Dubs and VW Life are going to have videos of this whole same thing, so you can really get the wraparound experience of everything. And what do we say at the end?
for watching.
for watching.